Hello, it's me. Anyway, right to the paintings. It's rock and redo day. 3 paintings. I ripped through 3 paintings, redos that are rocking. Just get right into it because they're going to be really short videos. The first one, there it is. I'm putting it up on the screen. It's Lucky Little Bird. He's back. I just had to redo it. I know some of you out there like this. I know that it's still that until it leaves. It goes out the door. I can do whatever I want to with it. That's just the way it goes here. So I'm liking it now. Even though I couldn't help myself. See, Lucky Little Bird left the pile of turds. Why is that? Because I voted the song, the album that I got the inspiration from to do this painting is the worst album ever. In fact, the album, I think I said it could be weaponized and turned against mankind to destroy ourselves. Because we create what destroys us. There's a little... I'm always doing this. Why? Because the glue gun leaves these little hairy things that just follow you all over for the rest of your life. So there you go. I'm going to play the song. If I can find it, I'm going to play the song. That's the end of that. Thanks for stopping by. Stay tuned for the next one.